Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm purchasing couple of accessories for my Tesla. In this video we will see which accessories I'm purchasing, what is the price, where I'm purchasing these accessories and how I fix it on my Tesla Model 3. I'm purchasing these accessories from Tesla platform. Using this platform you can purchase multiple accessories. Even which product I am purchasing, those product link is also available on the video description. This is a platform you should purchase here the all types of Tesla models accessories like Model Y, X, S and Model 3 and affordable price. If you purchase greater than $60 so you can receive free of cost shipping services entire the world. Link is available on video description. Now come to the video and which accessories I am purchasing. We will see unboxing of this video. So first accessories come here, magic hidden box. Look at this here. Here is the driver seat, one portion is coming. You can put it this magic box and you can put it here your stuffs like a credit card, debit card or some of the cash, so no one can recognize you have something special in your car. So that one is really amazing. So this is my Tesla. I will show you this box to fix here, magic box here like this, and after that how you open. It's very easy. Inside the packet they are providing, probably we should use this one like this. So we should fix this one. We have total 4 of them, so if something is broken so you can use like this. How to fix? It's easy. They are providing here also in double tape. First of all you can measure and then try to fix, otherwise this tape is very strong. First of all the down portion and then putting hard. Okay, perfect. Now is finished. Perfect. You can open like this and this is hidden box is open. It's easy and very helpful. I have some of the IDs, so I can use this space for the specific IDs and then lock. If you really like this unboxing as well as fix, if you want purchase Tesla cars, so use my referral link is available on video description. And if you purchase this accessories, link is also available on video description, comes from Tesla platform. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.